Hello, this is resetting the maintenance light for a 2020 Kia Telluride. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to use the button here on the keypad, and that is going to make your menu switch through the settings. So make sure you get to this setting here, and then from here, you're going to follow through, press that button a couple times till you get to the user settings. From user settings, use the keypad again, go down, go to service intervals, hit the button in to select. At that point, you're going to go to, you can like adjust intervals or reset. So I'm going to go to reset, and then reset time and distance. You can reset that as well, yes. And then you can also enable services here and disable services here. So adjust intervals, you can do it every 6,000 miles, everything like that. So if you want to change it to 6,000 or 5,000, this is where you would change it by just hitting the enter button or scrolling up and down, and this will change the mileage. You can change the months too, for like every 12 months at that point. So it's like every 1 year if they only do different intervals. So you can change everything here. All right, thank you for watching.